In my opinion, the best business you can start online right now is selling digital products, whether it's on Etsy, Amazon, or even your own website. The biggest advantage is that you can build and run this entire business from wherever you are in the world, without needing a physical location and without spending a single dollar to get started. On top of that, the earning potential is incredible, and you can generate substantial income over time. Of course, that depends on following the right strategy. If you use the same methods I personally use to create and sell digital products, and the exact techniques I'm teaching you, you can begin making sales much faster than you might expect. That's exactly why I created this channel, to help you succeed with selling digital products, along with building an online business with the lowest possible startup costs. I'm genuinely confident that if you consistently follow the strategies and tutorials I share here, you'll put yourself in a great position to generate a lot of sales in the near future. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing product that has real selling potential. First, let's take a look at this product on Etsy. Right away, you'll notice that Etsy has labeled it as a high-quality listing, and according to Etsy's data, it has been selling very well over the past 6 months. The product is priced at around $3.50, which is a very attractive price point for buyers. Now, let's take a closer look so we can fully understand how it works and recreate it the right way. You'll see that this product consists of only 2 pages. The first page contains a collection of circles, and above each circle is one letter of the alphabet, covering every letter from A all the way to Z. The second page also contains circles, but this time each circle includes a picture representing a word that starts with one of those letters. For example, the letter B matches the word ball, so the second page includes a picture of a ball. The seller has created matching images for every single letter of the alphabet. The child's job is simple and fun. They cut out the pictures from the second page, then glue each picture into its correct position on the first page. As they complete the activity, they naturally learn the alphabet while also recognizing and remembering different everyday objects and shapes. It's an engaging educational activity. It's easy for parents to print at home, and it's exactly the kind of digital product that performs very well on marketplaces like Etsy. Now it's time to design this product. We'll head straight over to Canva and create a new design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. For the first page, we want to create a layout with empty circles, and above each circle, we'll place one letter of the alphabet. To do that, I'll simply press the C key on my keyboard to instantly insert a circle. Then I'll change the circle's fill color to white, add a black outline, and set the border thickness to 2. After that, I'll make the circle just a little smaller, then press the T key on my keyboard to add a text box to the page. You can use any font you like. I'll type the letter A and position it directly above the circle. And just like that, this becomes the circle for the letter A. Next, we're going to repeat this process very easily, so pay close attention to this step because it's important. I'll duplicate this circle several times. I want the first row to contain exactly 5 circles, so I'll adjust the spacing and size until everything looks balanced and fits the page nicely. Now for the second row, I want 6 circles instead of 5. I'll duplicate the first row, move the circles a little closer together, and then add 1 extra circle so the second row contains 6 circles. Once that's done, I'll select both rows, the row with 5 circles and the row with 6 circles, duplicate them together, and place the copy in the bottom half of the page. We'll have one last row at the bottom, and this row will contain only 4 circles. At this point, we're almost finished with the first page. The only thing left is to place the alphabet letters above each circle, starting from A and continuing all the way to Z. Now let's create the second page. We'll simply duplicate the first page and leave all of the circles exactly where they are. The only thing I'll do is remove the letters from above the circles. Then I'll select all of the circles and change their outlines to a dashed line, making it clear that these circles are meant to be cut out by the child. After that, I'll place a random picture inside each circle representing a word that begins with one of the alphabet letters. For example, for the letter A, I can use a picture of an apple. I'll search for an apple image, choose the one I like best, resize it, and place it neatly inside the circle. Then I'll add a picture of a banana for the letter B, and I'll continue doing the same thing with the rest of the alphabet. Each circle will contain a random image that represents one of the alphabet letters, encouraging the child to think, match, and learn while completing the activity. For example, the child will look for the picture that matches the letter A, which is the apple. Then they'll go to the second page, cut out the apple circle, and glue it onto the correct circle labeled A on the first page. This makes the activity interactive, educational, and fun, helping children practice cutting skills while learning the alphabet at the same time. I really hope this exercise makes sense and that you found it helpful, because there's one very important thing I want to tell you next. I created a brand new Telegram channel today. However, this will be a private channel exclusively for people who purchase my collection of 80 books. They will find the access link to the channel included with the files they receive inside the 80 book bundle. To provide even more value, every time I create a video on this channel, I'll upload all the resources they need to design the product themselves. For example, I've already added the animal file right here. When they click on it, they'll be taken directly to the file. I've also provided the link to the actual product itself so they can use it immediately, edit it, and start selling it right away without having to create everything from scratch. If they click the Canva link, it will take them directly into Canva, where they can access the finished product instantly and start selling it. This makes the entire process much easier and saves a tremendous amount of time. That's one of the extra benefits available to everyone who purchases my 80 book collection. And by the way, those 80 books have now grown to 95 books. These include PDF files and Canva links. Anyone who gets them can edit them directly and start selling them on Etsy, Amazon, or other marketplaces. These are high-quality products created using more than 7 years of experience in the digital product business. They can save you years of research, testing, and hard work. I'm genuinely confident that anyone who gets access to these books can create significant sales opportunities on both Amazon and Etsy. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the video description. I highly recommend grabbing them because I'm constantly making updates and improvements to these books, which means you'll continue receiving new and improved content over time. And that's not all. You'll also gain access to the private Telegram channel. Plus, we're regularly adding valuable bonuses and giveaways related to digital products for members of this collection. The price is currently very affordable, so if you're interested, go ahead and grab it now. That's my recommendation for you today.